Going on, guys? Hayden Maxfield's here. Currently sitting in my mother-in-law's car, 2013 Subaru Outback. It's got the 2.5 liter under the hood with the crappiest transmission I've ever felt in my life. It's got the continuous variable transmission, other known as the CVT. The reason that I'm driving this right now, I'm taking it to my shop. I'm gonna need to put a transmission in this thing, and it's sad because the car's only got 108,589 on it right now as we speak. Clear indicator that I know it needs a trans. It's got nothing for get up and go, literally nothing. You can get on this car as hard as you want, pin it to the floorboards, RPMs will respond, but it just doesn't have the grip power that a real good transmission should. Already spoke to my mother-in-law. She ordered the transmission, having it shipped directly to my shop. So I'm just driving the car over there just so that way there when the transmission comes in, I can start the teardown process and at least go from there. They have the variable valve, or not the variable valve, they have the variating transmission. Basically what that means is instead of hydraulically controlled pulsations, you basically feel a continuous variation within the transmission. So once I go ahead and make this right-hand turn here, I'll show you guys what I mean. So keep an eye on the speed. So we're gonna slow her really way down. So we're probably gonna drop to about 30 or so. About 20. And then when I get on it, it goes up to 3 grand, but it's struggling. Like you can feel it jerking and bucking and not running the way that it should. I had a buddy of mine diagnose it for me. It is the transmission. I already knew it was a transmission just by the way that it was acting, but didn't really want to admit it yet because nobody likes to hear that their vehicle needs a transmission. It's up there in price. I think my mother-in-law, with shipping and handling, spent almost close to $3,000 just for a used one for this car. I've heard stories where the newer ones are going for way more than what they are, way more than that. But as always, guys, I just wanted to post that video and give you guys a quick rundown as to the common failure points with CVT transmissions. Also, if you're looking at a vehicle that is equipped with one, my honest professional recommendation, steer clear from it. They're not that great. Subaru is well known about the issues, which is why they did an extended warranty on them. Basically to sit there and say, yeah, we know about the issue, but we're not going to freaking issue a recall. So, yeah, we're just going to extend your warranty. If it breaks, we'll fix it for free. So, stay tuned, guys. As always, if you're stopping by for the first time, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll drop my personal email in every video that I post so you guys can get in contact with me. Stay tuned, and I hope to God that I can get this on video because that'll be a very, very, very fun project for me. I got a lot of them going on. Silverado's home. Another video going live probably within the next hour and a half or so. I'll say 2 hours to be safe. As to what I did with that, how I fixed it, whole 9 yards. So stay tuned, guys. As always, stay dirty, my friends.